Hello, everybody. We're back and continuing on with our assignment. We've got this structural model we've got going on here. I'm going to just tile these views, just kind of get caught up where we were. Okay, so we've got a sheet going here. Got a north elevation, our 3D, and then this was the framing for the second level or whatever anyway. So we're going to continue on here. And now we need to get some, I should have said that. That's okay. So I'm going to go on view and I'm going to tab these views for right now. And that's not really what I want. I want this view here. So this is basically what we call our foundation plan or the entry level. Well, here it is again on the sheet. So you kind of see what we did. This is basically here for, I explained it earlier, the columns and beams. And then, if I want to dimension this, we can, but we might want to just hold that for later because we've seen how we do this. I've got many videos on how to do dimensioning. So right now, we want to go in and have a look at, back to that, this over here, our foundation. And so we want to go and we need to create sheets for our elevations and our sections. Now, I showed you how to do the framing section. We can do this. We probably would need to do this for all levels because we're going to show reinforcing here eventually for the columns, beams, and everything. So this is going to be a full-blown project when we're done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just go and just start creating these sections. So we'll have a framing elevation probably here. And what we do, we just select this wall. Okay, wait a second here. Okay, not in this view. Okay, so that's what's going on there. So I think the main focus here in this view is to do our sections. That's kind of what I like to do anyway. I don't know why. Let me see. That's not the wall. Let's go. Okay. Let's see what happens on the next level. Okay, well, that property there for some reason. Okay, well, that's fine. We'll get to that level. We'll do our framing elevations, but for now, we want to go back to the foundation because we've got a lot of work to do here. We got to show our reinforcing and everything. So here we've got our. Let me go back to this level. Okay, got our columns and beams here. So now we want to just do sections here. So it would be good to have a section through here. Probably looking that way. And then we can flip these guys. And this is how we control our extent. So that basic section is basically looking all the way over there. So it's picking up everything, as you can see right here. Okay, now I'm going to go back into that view. So that's a section view. And then we want to do maybe some sections through here. Just to see what's going on here. We might want to do a section maybe this way. You can do this, but with the flexibility of these sections, see, there's a view of that. But what we can also do here is we can do a segmented section. So say if I wanted to, okay, we'll keep that section. Say if I wanted to see the entire front of this in one view, because see, these are broken up into sections. This is that area at this distance. This is that one. So we want to try this as much as we can, but these are going to just be sections. So in the upper levels, we'll do our framing views. So here, what we'll have is basically we can go and see this whole section, and we would use what we call a segmented view. So I'm going to do a section here. I'm going to go all the way across, and I want to see everything. I want to see everything. Say, okay, let's go this other way. I want to see everything this way. We'll split everything up on that side, but this way I want to see everything up to here. Now, I can't see that like I want because of, So what we can do, I can segment this out. So I can select this, and I can hit this little knife thing here, and I can drag this down. Well, have a far. There's limits given me. So here I can adjust this, I think. Yeah, I have to adjust the limits to the section here. So I say I can pull this down, and then I can double click this, and there you have everything in that view, as opposed to just a portion of it. So that's how you use segmented sections in Revit. I'm going to go back to my 3D view here. And then we need to look at our drawing. We got our framing plan done. So we've got some sections here. We got the long section. Now we want to go to that upper level, and we need to create some framing elevations. So go to my project browser here, and I go up to level, second level here. Yep. So now here, we've got our section that comes throughout, which is good. So we have those views set up that we can use. Now here, we want to see these walls for the framing. So here we do what we call framing elevation. We did this in the last video. So say we want to do this wall, and basically the interior, I want to do all of these. I will go up this one here, because we can pick up stuff on the exterior, if you know what I mean. And we go with one here. That's just for now. Okay, so we have those views, and then we want to open these views and see what they look like, what we got going here. Okay, double click that view. Uh-oh, sorry. Okay, let me tab to that. Okay, so I'm going to have to just go to elevation 2A. Okay. Sorry, folks. Just a little. This don't work this way, so that's in elevation 2A. So my project browser here. It's 1A. That view should open. Okay, nope, the family's open. Okay, so we got a little issue here. I'm sorry about this. We'll get this sorted out soon. But basically, these are the framing elevations. And they should be here, and there they are. I guess I got them open those that way. So those are my framing elevations. As you can see, we got our beam here, another beam, and then our concrete and everything there. So we go back into our foundation plan. So basically what we looked at today was segmented views. You can do this. I'm going to activate this view. You can take this guy and you can drag him even here. You want to just see that or that. That would probably be the best one. And you can just double click it. See it, so you can see everything in that view. Like this fine and make this shaded. So you get the idea. So we looked at segmented sections and we looked at framing elevations today. So next we've got to look at details and reinforcing and schedule. So going to take you through all of this. It's pretty intense. I took this from an old, let me see, what was this? Who's this author? Sham Tico, Revit for Dummies, and I'm just going to take it to another level. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go back to my framing plan here, and then here. So I'm going to create another sheet. We're going to go start laying out our sections and our elevations. So we're going to get a new sheet here. Okay. So what did we create here? Let's do our elevations here, our north, our east, our north. This just may be a typical structural drawing, structural project over here. You might split these up if need be. And then we'll go with our west. So we got our elevation set up, and we'll clean this up, and we'll see you guys in the next video. So hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this as much as I can, all I can. I'm focusing on structure here because yeah, I just started a new structural position in BIM, and it's pretty, I think I like it, but I got to brush it up on my structural. And then we'll move on to other things because we can do that here in this channel. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. Bye y'all, be safe. Please subscribe. Bye.